Hello everybody, GL1 here. Welcome to the premier online toy museum, and today I'm going to show you how I customized the Sorceress figure. So here is the Masterverse Sorceress figure from the Netflix Masters of the Universe. All right, and this is how she originally is. And I was watching the 2002 He-Man, and this is what the Sorceress looks like here. And I thought, I really like the Sorceress in 2002 better. This is a copy. There's the 1982 He-Man, and they've upgraded all the figures. And so this is what the Sorceress looks like, the upgraded 1982 Sorceress. So it's a lot better. You have better joints and all that, and it's a good figure. So I thought, well, maybe I can make, I got this extra Sorceress for $4, so I had already bought this one full price, a few years before that, and I thought, well, maybe I can modify the one I already opened and then just keep the other one in the box. I can modify it to sort of look like this one, and also to look a little bit more like the 2002 Sorceress. So what I did is I just got a razor blade out, and I was able to cut away, as you can see, I was able to cut away this rubberized garment here, okay? And then that way it has, more of the legs exposed, like this one. And then I really didn't like this orange plastic on the shoulders, because actually it also limited her ability to move around. And the other ones, this Sorceress and this one also don't have that. So I thought, well, let me cut the plastic off of that, and I was able to do that and just leave this orange part here, and there you go. And now, you have the Sorceress looking a lot more like what you get, as you can see the glutes and the quads and the thighs, the hamstrings and everything a lot better. If I could change the head a little bit more to maybe have sort of an Egyptian theme like that would be cool. But I think it's just better this way. And there, I just wanted to show you, if you were dissatisfied with your Revelations Sorceress, how you can easily modify that and get it to look more like the original Sorceress. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you very soon. Take care.